What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with great! Cool! We're always happy to help. Let's go find that toy! Super! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Amazing! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That was so close. Let's try again. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's the way. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Excellent! That was so much fun! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the Rolling Bridge. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. The Rolling Bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! Thanks for helping out! Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way! That's awesome! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now?